allir velkomin í Watching Paint Dry The Game. Epic lag, eins og alltaf. Byrjum.
Come to Watching
Paint Dry The Game.
In this game, you sit and watch paint
Dry in real time.
Feel free to interact with the objects in the room. Do
Ah.
not touch the wall until it is dry. Have fun.
So, wait. Ég þarfti bara að fara að klása þessu fyrir smá stund. Ég ætla að líta svo venjulegt út.
Seem to have jumped across dimensions and transcended into the wrong game by flushing the toilet. I
Ah.
this with you. I've never seen somebody do that before, but let's get back on track. I'll send you back to the menu.
Okay. Okay.
Welcome to Watching Paint.
Ég Mario núna. Sweet. Bam bam.
Hello, it's me, Mario.
Hi.
Nice computer you got here.
Oh nej. 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 Okay.
Welcome to Watching Paint Dry. Okay, I didn't even get to finish talking.
Yay.
Touch the wall. You come into a game called Watching Paint Dry and you don't even have the patience to wait for longer than 30 seconds. You know what?
Já.
We go into something even more
Oh.
monotonous instead.
Oh.
You like that better.
Já, ég held það.
Welcome to Watching Grass Grow. The game. In this game. You sit and watch
Okay.
grass grow
Ég get það.
in real time. You don't get to mess with any physics objects though, because you
Alright, bara, okay, heldum áfram. Svo, nei, ég ætla að fara niður í skápinn.
welcome to Watching Paint Dry. The game. In this game, you sit and watch paint dry in real time. Feel free to interact with the objects in the room, but do not touch the wall until it is dry.
Okay. Wait, bitte. Veislustaður.
Já, það ekki mikil umfjöldun í spenninu. Þau voru brotlarna og leikmenn til siktu og lögum. Það var bara að finna það.
Ég vart að horfa á Paint Dry. Nema ég ætla ekki samt að gera það.
This is the story of a man named Stanley. Hold on. You're not Stanley.
Ég...
Anything worse, I don't even think this is an office building.
Well,
Alright then. Let's just pretend that you're Stanley for now. Oh, here we go. Welcome to Watching Paint Dry, the game.
No, no.
In this game, you sit and watch paint dry in real time. Feel free to interact with the objects in the room. You need not touch the wall until it is dry. And I don't know about you, but I'm not going to sit here with you for hours watching a wall dry. So I'm opening the door, and I'll just improvise a new story. When Stanley entered the kitchen, he took a right down the hallway. Stanley instead decided that his eating disorder was more important.
Welcome to my house. This is where I sit and watch you watch paint dry. Feel free to look around. And if you want to go back up, you just created a paradox.
Oh no.
Anything that touches the paint is supposed to get removed from existence. Since I just touched the paint, I have to remove myself from existence. There's a problem, Alex. Welcome to Watching Paint Dry, the game. In this game, you sit and watch paint dry in real time. Feel free to interact with the objects in the room. Do not touch the wall until it is dry. Have fun.
Okay, cheater. Alltaf sem ég save it, þá þarf að segja okay, cheater. Alright. Ég ætti að gera hvað ég ætti að gera. Nice. Ok, sér þig. Svona, ég ætla að fara tröppunar. Opna þess að dyr. Smá skrítið. Hvað gerstu takki?
What did you just do?
Já, hvað gerði ég?
No, what yo?
Nei! Nei, það...
And I have come to eradicate your world. You press the suspicious-looking button.
Ég vann! Það var fullt af endinema. Ég held þetta endilega vídeoið þarna. Wait. Ok, þetta myndi að outroið af þessu vídeoið. Þetta er rosa stutt vídeoið, ég veit, so bye. Alright, þetta er endin af vídeoið, bye!